All right, guys. So if we look at the S&P 500 right here, we had like I said, we are in this distribution phase where the price, we rallied and then we kind of whipsawed in between here, and now got rejected from the support, got rejected from the support zone that is now resistance. So that is what happened today for the S&P 500. So, we are really anticipating a pullback at some point, just because we've had a nice rally since the beginning of the year. So having a pullback is definitely normal, and there's no reason to panic if you've had positions from January of this year. But right as of now, the price action is indicating that we're gonna keep heading lower. So let's see what goes on with this price action. But we would be looking at areas right here in the price to determine if we're gonna head higher or break through and head lower. All right, so that is for the S&P 500. The US credit ratings went down, so that pulled down the price of the S&P 500. The TLT, so if we look at the bonds again, the bonds are down. And if we look at Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin price is actually still consolidating in between 29 and 28, right? So the price for Bitcoin is really just fluctuating in between here, and we have to kind of just pay attention. I don't see anything really changing today, guys. I mean, coming on here today, nothing much has changed. Just the S&P 500 had a pullback, nothing too crazy. Still in an uptrend for Bitcoin. If we look at the Bitcoin dominance, the Bitcoin dominance is heading higher. So altcoins still getting wrecked. So not looking to buy any altcoins at the moment. Yeah, so we're kind of getting wrecked with altcoins still. Okay, so you can see that the Bitcoin dominance is heading higher. Altcoins, that indicates to us that altcoins are going to be pushing down. And if we look at the total 3, you can see altcoins are actually in a downtrend, and it's just met with this resistance right here, right? So keep that in mind, guys. We're met with this resistance and we're heading lower in the price. So that's really it for the altcoins, right? So like I said, altcoins, not the time to purchase. We would be looking for altcoins. We'll be looking to purchase altcoins, once we pass the halving and start breaking the next all-time highs. That's when we're looking to purchase altcoins, not currently in this market at this moment. So just keep that in mind. Understand that we do still have some time. We have just under 270 days for the next Bitcoin halving, and just prepare yourself and align yourself for when it's time to jump back into the market. Hold on. Right? So that's really it for today, guys. The video is really short today. Not too much, to cover. Straightforward, right to the point. Just want to make sure there's no fluff involved. We just want to look at the charts today. So look at this gold trade here. So we took this short this morning on gold. So you can see we had a drop in price, consolidation. So what really happened was today, what I was looking for is we took this trade just at 940. So just after 940, we had this bearish engulf. And so this bearish candle, so this was the bearish candle that we actually entered on. So the reason for entering on this bearish candle is because we had a lot of resistance here. So we entered on this bearish candle. And the reason we closed at 955 was actually because at 10 o'clock we did have news. So if we look at the calendar right here, we had news at 10 a.m. The US PMI. So that was at 10 a.m. So we exited our trade right before the news came out at 10 a.m. And, normally we exit before news or enter after, because we don't want to be participating when the news comes out and you see this huge spike in price or anything, right? We have no idea where the price is going to go, so we always make sure that we cover ourselves and don't expose us to risk that we don't need to, participate in. So that was today's trade. Pretty simple. I mean, we just saw the price was underneath the support, which is now resistance. So if we go to the 4-hour, so you can see it's resistance, right? And we just took a short underneath that. We had a lot of bearish price action, lower lows, lower highs, and confidence for us to take this trade, right? So with that being said, guys, that's really all for today. I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and tune in next time for some more cryptocurrency and trading news. All right, take care.